You not ready? I won't start from self. I won't start. I don't even know. I don't start if they wait for me. Now 3 years be this. Now they wonder why we are semi boxer and singlet. This one for now, na boxer. I forget. Not how they go play ball. And they ask one question. I will say most Nigerians, if you look at everybody, almost all the men when they most of them don't wear pants. They don't wear pants. Why we say most Nigerian men and they like wear pants. They like wear boxer. Why some people just wear trousers like that? May breeze they blow everywhere. I won't get a condition flow everywhere. Still on the matter, straight here from Wazobia TV. Not touch you that. Channel 195 start time. Not touch you that. My name is MC Shaggy. Make you not touch her. If you touch her, why be say most guys now they like wear pants? Still on the matter. Make we enter road like this. I want to enter road. And like this. I want bro, Alpha. Why be say Alpha na cool down? Alpha, how you doing?
Are they fine?
Yeah. Why they say most Nigerian guys, men, they like wear pants though now?
Because we hear some story that pants used to cause cancer or whatever. Yes.
Wow. That's right.
Yes.
But today now you wear pants.
Anyway, it's not confirmed information. I didn't wear pants anyway. I wear boxers.
You
Yeah.
wear boxer.
Yes.
So you dey feel comfortable as you wear the boxer.
Of course.
All right. Now what of you? You wear pants.
Why I go wear pants? I know we know they wear pants again now. Of course. Now boxers now.
Boxers they wear.
So that you go there free. Go there free.
Breeze go free.
I mean, no be say so you go tie here, no now. You go free us
Dey
now.
free.
Of course.
Yeah, father. Say wetin?
Pants they cost hernia these days. My boss are then they wear.
They say pants dey cost hernia.
Hernia. You the whole broadcast now, you know no.
Yeah.
The boss are they wear these days.
Okay. Still on the matter is here there. So many people they wear pants nowadays. I don't know why, Sha. Maybe not for big. I don't know. Come, Oga, come.
I can make some warrant now.
Why you dey wear pants? Why you still dey wear pants?
They wear pants.
You dey wear pants?
How they wear pants?
Even from your head, I know say you dey wear pants. Still on the straight chance, make we enter road. Oh shit! Why be say most Nigerian guys now they like wear pants? They waka.
I wear my
They
own
wear
person.
pants. Na pants you have been a boxer.
I wear pants.
Na pants you wear.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you small boy, now go dey wear pants.
You know, see you're waiting for me.
If you small boy, now if you small boy, now go dey wear pants. For this stage, now you see they wear pants. Now they shame. How far?
Fine.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Today now you wear pants.
I'm not woman that wears pants. I wear boxers. Men,
Okay, now woman they wear pants.
yes, but these days women doesn't wear pants again.
What do
They are always naked.
Yeah.
Most here in Lagos, they are almost naked. Every woman you see, they are almost naked.
Yeah.
They are showing their body outside.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I'm telling you.
I say you won't mention the other thing. I know. If not now, I won't want your ear like this. All right. So what about you? They wear. You see they wear. You they wear. What do they wear?
I wear boxers.
That's you now wear boxer.
Yes.
You sure?
I'm sure.
If you show me the boxer.
Why not? This is the boxers.
This one not be boxer. Now wrestler be this.
It's
now.
not wrestler.
Now wrestler be this.
It's not wrestler.
I say now wrestler.
It's not wrestler.
Uh-uh.
Should I pull off?
This one I wear now wrestler. I don't know. As we go, we still dey look for more. We still dey look for, I don't wear shirt because I don't like wear shirts. We still dey look for more opinion, but make we get the opinion from women. Why be say men no dey gree wear pants? Oh, whoa. Hello? How you dey? Come, not wrong. Come.
Only me, John.
Come, cool down. Come. And Pichi, not be Oyibo, Pichi.
Good afternoon.
Why be say man no dey like wear pants now?
I don't know.
You don't know, you not get boyfriend.
I don't get boyfriend.
You sure?
Yes.
All these my guys for this area, then they.
No, I don't not get boyfriend.
You sure?
Yes.
Tell them the truth too.
I don't get boyfriend.
So you don't know whether you where we see woman now? Oh yeah, come. Madam, good afternoon. This one our Wazobia TV. Why be say man they like wear pants nowadays?
Man,
Eh,
they don't like to wear pants. And it's not compulsory now. Yes, now. Like now, if my husband is going to work now, you don't, sometimes, if you go to work, it's not known to how to, you just wear only boxers. Only boxers.
God bless you. Still on the matter. Yeah. Madam, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
What's happened?
Wazobia TV, Wazobia TV. Answer me now. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Why be say man they like wear pants?
I don't
Talk,
know.
man, don't worry.
I don't know.
No.
Yes.
Why you wear pants?
I wear pants,
You
man.
wear pants.
Yeah, very well.
But why be say most guys don't like wear pants?
But at times, so some they get scratch for their body.
Scratch?
That's now that because of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They cause am.
Now they cause some
Oh,
at
not
times.
be say they shrink. You
No.
know they affect the testes. That will cause am.
At times they affect them, and that is why some of that one they don't like to wear that pants like that.
All right.
But at times, so you know that one again, say like all these boys now, where we say they would like sharp something again. At times they do am too like sharp. Now you know
So
me
you
now.
like chop chop?
No, it just I'm here with the guests, and I don't expect what I'm for people.
So have fun. How you doing? Cool down. Cool down. Have fun. Cool down. Cool down. Don't worry. Cool down. Wait. Wait. Why be say man they like wear pants?
Man, they wear pants.
Most men don't like wear pants. Now boxers they wear.
That's natural, and from the beginning before, man used to wear boxers. Why women used to wear pants?
You don't just how many of now know? Not be pants. Night boys they wear.
No.
No, they wear pants. That's what they wear. You know, now those Superman pants now. One color pants, different color, rainbow color.
No, say this, everything is civilized now. So man used to wear boxers.
Your guy they wear boxers.
Now.
Your guy they wear
Now, if you want to see, you don't go wear boxers, shall.
breeze go dey enter everywhere.
Now, as usual, even you go.
Me I wear pants.
But if you want sleep, you don't go wear them. If you want sleep, you go off farm. Now.
I get offer like say na light. Still on the matter. Yeah, Alhaja. Hey, mama. Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Fine.
What of your husband?
Fine.
You don't marry?
No, I'm not married.
Why you never marry?
I'm still searching for the one I
I
love.
dey here now. Your father. So, Alpha, why be say man they like wear pants?
Man,
You say most men they wear pants nowadays.
I don't know.
You not get guy.
I have a guy, but he do wear pants.
Your guy they wear pants. I been a boxer. Talk true.
Okay, what boxer?
Boxer. Thank you very much. Hey, you be boys, you old man. Okay, well, good afternoon.
How are you?
Okwefi, one of Inewi land. You are the chief, huh? One way you are. You wear pants.
Huh?
As you don't know, you wear pants.
What does that mean?
Now, what interview for Wazobia TV?
So what should you know about
Why
my?
be say man, not the like wear pants nowadays?
It's left to me to understand, know what is comfortable for me. It's not like you find out what is my inner part of my body.
Okay, why?
Now I want to be at ease anyway.
You want to be at ease?
Yes.
Say you want to be at ease anyway. I want to be at ease anyway. Yeah, sharply, quick. Madam Alpha, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Why they say most guys now, they like wear pants? You get your guy,
I know.
eh?
I know.
In the wear pants.
Of course, now why no go wear
Now,
pants?
pants anyway, I've been a boxer.
All of the above.
All of the above. Their father got punished them. One at the runner. Okay, man, I go now. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come. Come, I want to buy plantain. Come, I want to buy. Madam, good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is Wazobia TV. Madam. Why we say? Why you? When I talk, I just small.
I don't defend you, please.
Eh. madam, now good afternoon. Madam, good down. All right. Now, madam, why be say postman dey like the pants? Madam. Over. Over, it's not easy. It's not easy to crease, yeah. But I know the crease. Now money I dey find. This one is your Wazobia TV, Street Chance. Not touch it, and I saw we take wrap up for today. Why most men don't like wear pants? Maybe the question what we throw for street today. I see so many people with their opinion. Maybe it's they enter everywhere they cool. Or some not stress. Just like that. My name is MC Shaggy, Street Chance, Wazobia TV, channel 195. Don't touch the dial. Bye.